principle and standards zangu na values zangu nime uphold. Even if you unfollow, even if you continue following, I will be okay. Actually I'm just a regular girl. I'm just a regular girl. Napenda vitu za mitumba. Napenda African. So ukinipata tu pale usi mind, I'm just a regular
ukimpata girl. Kwa mitumba umnunulie hata ya mbao.
I'm not married.
Oh.
I'm not in a relationship.
You are single?
Yeah, so I'm single. I'm not married. I'm not in a relationship. Kwa sahi.
Are there some of the celebrities that you've met because of the TikTok?
Yeah. It's called Veronica Otieno.
Veron Soul. Veron Soul. Huyu ndo aliingiza Umwameri.
Even niko default.
Ebu rumba. Unajua tunakuja.
Ngwele kinga o Angela. Eko sangana zuwa maladi. Nalinga mibalika sina soki. Nafuka mie paina e. Kate de visita pamo pesanga. Shongola.
Tan tan tararararang tarang tararararang tan tarang ton tarang tan ta.
Na yebaki suka seko tingamae yanga ina mobali nangai pantalo mokaba mama tobalana kosukisa bilo belango ya bato likwela yanga ina sheri suka lilitama onga inda ya o
Oganda
na yebiko mwazanda
Uganda na yo kibikomo epuro cham ay Uganda na ye kibikomo epuro cham ao. Okay, so huyu ni wa kwanza celeb. Mwingine
wa pili ni MC Omari Nash. Mwenye tuko naye hapa sasa. Kwa sababu kini celeb, pole basi.
I'm honored, you know. I'm very humbled.
I've also met Addis Jojo.
Addis Jojo, yeah.
Yes. I've also met Omedian Ombuti.
Chief Omari. Chief
Omari yo.
Hey.
Ije manyo goko ko ginyingiri nyaero nyako na mangwenta amba ni ndotuka. Ene modhi odak kodi.
Sa yo kachaka tima bag ni tokibikao.
Okabikao nade? Itama bag ni seche magole otini gole.
Bag ni okidhiga.
Iwinjo.
Yasa iwuoni.
Ondik nyake muma ni dhako ma jaber mano satan nawe nangera.
Ora nyithindo dwa penja ni baba gi odhi kanye.
Ondike muma disom muma Abubakar ochiko kare 18. Dhako ma jaber satan nawe nangera ka muma no wuoye. Kare gina die.
Chakre next Sunday adhi e lemo.
Ina chichu.
Ombuti. Ombuti. All right. It's another Saturday, and today, as usual, I'm bringing to you the Super Sato. The person that is bringing to you this show, as usual, I'm called MC Omari Nash. And for the lucky few that maybe is well conversant with the Chinese name, in Chinese I'm called MC Omari Nash. Dakongo de nigichake kore kubniario to porichwa ko strong tea or Omari chieno jemo nembele chiene mwaneno tombele emwayoko. For those people who are there, I thank you very much. What you can do, share, like, give us a comment, and you can as well tell us the person that you want us to bring to this platform. Today I have a very beautiful lady. I don't know whether to call this lady beautiful queen or African queen or something, but the lady is so wow. I know you're wondering, who is this lady? This is one of the famous ladies so far that I've come across. He's doing a very good job on social media sites. That one is TikTok by the name Omwameri. Omwameri. Oh, come with me to hear the story of this this lady. This lady is so wow that excuse me. The lady is so wow that I have to All right. My guest is here. The lady is on the set.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Oh, you make me appreciate Africans, huh? You are very beautiful. Why don't you say thank you?
Thank you.
Kwa majina waitwa nani?
Kwa majina najulikana Mary.
Unajulikana Mary ama hiyo ndo jinako?
No, that is my name.
Yeah,
birth certificate.
Mary Awor
Trufosa.
Hey. Mary Awor Trufosa. Kwanza kunywa maji. Kunywa maji. You have very indigenous name. Mary Awor Trufosa Omwa.
Yes.
Alafu mwalimu wangu alikuwa ananiambia eti majina yafaa yawe 3.
Yes, but sasa mimi niko na 4 because I'm a Catholic.
Okay.
Kuna ile ya jina yenye nilipatiwa ya kwanza, Tontiema ni miaka sayudo Saomar Sacrament milongoni confirmation. Koro nyinganen Trufosa Awor. Mary ni ya baptism.
Mary.
Omwani ya baba.
Omwani ya baba.
Yes.
Sa ukipata bwana leo, tuseme kwa mfano nimekuwa bwanako, utakuwa na 5 hivi. Omari.
Hapo tutajua, but hizo 4 so far inanitosha.
Alright. Ushe kunywa maji?
Yes.
Kwa wale ambao washawadia, karibuni sana, karibuni. Nakwambia leo niko na mgeni wangu hapa, ni msichana mrembo mno. Naweza muita anafanana kama malaika hivi, mithili malaika. Kwa wale ambao labda waliandika insha shuleni, wasema kuwa ni mrembo kama sijinani. Na kwa hivyo basi tunaenda kusikia historia yake, ni nani, anafanya nini, ako wapi sasa hivi, na nini haswa imemleta huku Nairobi. Uko Nairobi, si ndio?
Yes.
Ai, napenda vile unacheka. Sasa Omwa Mary has been trending in different parts. If you are in TikTok, wanakuita Omwa Mary.
Yeah, Omwa Mary.
Omwa Mary. The spelling OMWA Omwa.
Then Mary MARY.
Why? Very good. So Omwa Mary, nyumbani ni wapi?
The native home.
Native home.
Siaya Kababa.
Kumilwa
mwani Ugunja town. Anya Ugenya. So mimi niko Siaya from Ugenya side.
Uko Siaya from Ugenya side?
Yes.
Okay.
Anya Ger.
You know, sitaki useme lugha yenu kwa sababu huwa mnaongeza silabu. Si ndio? Huwa mnaongeza silabu.
Naam.
Kwa Luo. Like onyo, nyo, mbula, gonyo.
Chonga nango.
Iwa nango nyere. Sometimes when I communicate with you people, I don't get it well. So kwa wale ambao wako hapo, I have a guest here, Omwa Mary herself. Omwa Mary, say hi.
Hello.
Yes. So hi and hello. Okay, it's like you don't get instruction, but no problem. Omwa Mary, say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
I just love it. Now tell me a brief story, how your educational background. Where did you go to school? Ulisoma wapi?
Okay. From primary. Nimesomea hapa Nairobi. Shule inaitwa Marura Primary School.
Marura Primary.
Yes. Iko hapa Embakasi North. High school pia nikasomea this hapa tu Nairobi bado. It is called Our Lady of Fatima High School.
Our Lady of Fatima.
It was a mixed day school. Yes.
I love those people that learned in mixed. They also have mixed reactions and they are also having several experiences. Now, what is your profession as we talk?
So I studied I did a course called Community Development.
Na unaikumbuka ni kweli? Ama ni profile? Una load?
Hapana. after high school, I went to Moi University main campus.
Moi
Eldoret,
University,
where I pursued a bachelor's degree in community development.
Oh.
Napenda sana kufanya kazi na community, na watoto, na walemavu, sana sana. So that is why nilienda kufanya that course.
Okay, me pia it's this one is my fourth year in University of Nairobi. Nauza samosa. Yeah, 4th year. Nauza samosa huko.
Ya nyama ama ya pojo?
Pojo. Okay, so how did you come? Now tell me the Omwameri and the TikTok. Omwameri and the TikTok. How did it come? Omwameri and TikTok. Pop.
Yes.
From university to TikTok.
Yes.
How?
You know, I love drama. From primary school to high school to campus. I just love drama. And I love Luo music sana sana. So, kama kwa TikTok, nimeingia TikTok kwa sababu ya rafiki yangu fulani.
Nani?
She's called Veronica Tieno. Sana sana najulikana kama Vero Unsolved pale.
Vero Unsolved.
Yes.
I do call her bro.
Yes.
Vero Unsolved. Where you are, I salute you sis, or I salute you bro.
Sasa yeye ndio.
Unajua ukisema Vero Unsolved, labda utumie Rumba Girl ndo watu wanajua.
Rumba, ule msichana anaimbanga Rumba. Yes.
Rumba Girl.
Yes. Sasa yeye ndio
alikuingiza aje?
Kulikuwa tuna hii time it was a very hard time for me and my family. Hapo 2019 ikienda kuisha. My dad was really sick. He was battling with alikuwa na cancer ya tumbo.
Pole.
Sasa we used to go every time. Nikiwa tu I was depressed. Nilikonda. Sasa Vero was there for me. Yes. So, nilikonda sana. So that time nilikuwa naenda.
I wish I got you before.
Okay, I'm not saying now I'm big.
No. But you're okay.
Yeah.
You're okay. I'm just trying to appreciate that you look wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this friend came.
Yeah. So we used to go. I used to go to her place, and then we could talk. We put music, we dance, or we just go somewhere. Sasa there was this one time she was like, "Why don't we try TikTok?"
By that time ye pia alikuwa
na rafiki yake mwingine alikuwa anafanya TikTok sana.
Ilipata ka ajaingia bado. Sasa huyo rafiki yake ndiye alikuwa anafanya TikTok. Most of the time sasa tunashindwa, okay, what is this? Because sisi tunaonanga tu videos but we have never been interested. Tukasema pia sisi wacha tujaribu. So TikTok za kwanza tulifanya kwa simu ya Vero, tulikuwa tuna dance odi, hata sijui tulikuwa tunafanya nini hizo. Yeah, sasa hapo ndio TikTok yangu ilianza. But sikuwa nafanya from my side. Tulikuwa tunafanya na simu ya Vero. Mimi sikuwa I was not that interested, but it was something which was ilikuwa inanisaidia at least keep away from your depression ya mzai. Okay.
So hapo 2020 March 29th. Tukapoteza mzazi, nikapoteza baba.
Pole.
And it was a very very harsh time. Tukikumbuka hiyo time ndio tulikuwa na COVID had just ilikuwa imestrike sasa vizuri. Sasa serikali ndio imengangana. It was so hard. So I traveled home. Tumemaliza burial tu hivi wanatangaza lockdown. Sasa tukakaa hizo miezi 6 zote nyumbani. So nilikuwa nashindwa ndafanya nini. Sivera kaniambia anza kufanya TikTok. So I started doing that. Nilikuwa nafanya tu TikToks but sikukuwa interested sana and sikukuwa na ile a strong content ya kufanya ya kitu unapenda. So nilikuwa tu naona sauti ya mtu, I just act it out. Unaona? So then nikakuja siku moja nikafanya sound ya Prince Inda. I did a certain Luo music ya Prince Inda. Ika trend. Nikasema because I love Luo music, babangu alikuwa anapenda hizi wimbo za Kijaluo za kitambo kabisa. So nilikuwa nazisikia kabisa. So nikasema why don't I do misifanye Ohangla? So that is when I started doing more content sana kwa Ohangla music and gospel music. Yes. So TikTok yangu ilianzia from hapo.
Okay.
Na ilinisaidia kubattle hiyo depression. Mpaka saa hii naweza sema imesimama na mimi.
So as we talk, do you do TikTok as your profession, or you still do it for fun, or you've commercialized? At least you can get something to put on the table from TikTok.
TikTok doesn't pay people directly, but nimekuwa na gifters sana. There is this lady ananipendanga sana, I won't mention the names. Anapanga Mama Mary hivyo, anani gift. Bado TikTok ijaanza kutulipa sisi kama African content creators. So siwezi sema TikTok inanisaidia through kupata pesa, but sana inanisaidia. Maybe kuna mtu anaweza ona kazi yenye nafanya pale aniitie kitu fulani, but for now I'm just doing it for myself na kuburudisha watu wengine.
So as we talk, how many followers do you have?
I'm at 23,600.
Wow.
Yes.
Si useme kwa nguvu. You know, by the way,
yeah.
Unajua kama acha tuseme tu eti au wote ni wafuasi, then you should be, you know, at least appreciative, you know, you should
appreciate. I love my fans. I appreciate my fans.
But vile unaisema ni kama ni 500.
Hapana. I have 23.
23. Open your mouth, huh?
23.
Good.
0.6k followers, and I'm so grateful.
You are so grateful. Okay. So how did these people come? You know, there are some people that are sharing their links like me. I'm very good in that. I do share. So walikufuata tu ama you are like telling your friends like, may you follow me?
Not really.
Like I do make noise on social media. I'm like, oh, follow me. I'm almost taking public address, Kipaza sauti niseme, oh, I'm Omari Nash, follow me. You know, there is somebody who told me, tulikuwa na huyu jamaa anaitwa Mike Wako. You know Mike Wako comedy wanafanya hata na Osongo. Aliniambia wakati alikuwa anaanza TikTok ilibidi atengeneze posters. Alafu andike nambake pale na TikTok na kila kitu, aseme if you want to join Illuminati. Can you imagine how difficult sometimes it is to kupata tu followers.
Yeah.
So we ulifanyaje watu wakakujua?
I think followers wangu wengi walikuja time nilianza the Ohangla music na gospel. Sana nilikuwa nafanya gospel ya wimbo za Eunice Ogoma, Florence Roberts
Nabirowe.
Yeah.
Anatingwanga malo makata pindu todagi anawene awera nyiri mang'eny dongo sewero mana ya uwe magi erengi magi ambene. Hallelujah. I don't know. Why do you do this way? Why don't you just say hallelujah, amen. Hallelujah. Okay, do me one. Ama wakweke the background voice, somebody to help, please.
I can try and sing.
Background. No, I'm telling him to put a hand.
Anabirowe anatingdona malo makata nyiri duto dagi anayorgi ayora yo ibende osewero adiera nyiri magi erengi magi tokora bende miya uru thuolo.
Wow.
Adwaro were osiepna jothumbe donge osewero mana jotelogo makonyo ngimagi tokora bende miya uru thuolo. Adwaro wero jatenda.
Right. I went to where umweke tafadhali. Aeke ya Eunice Ogoma.
Yes.
All right. Kwani acha nikuulize, huwa unasali wapi? Kwa kanisa gani?
I'm a Catholic.
You are Catholic. But you do sing like you are a Protestant. Or you have a background?
Not really. I'm from a family of staunch Catholics. My father alikuwa Mkatoliki. My mom is also a Catholic. I'm also a Catholic. Nao familia wengine. But kuna tu vile unaweza wimbo inaweza kukubariki kushinda hata hiyo kanisa unaenda. Umeelewa? So songs za Eunice Ogoma, Florence Robert, Dorothy au all the musicians wanaimba. Kuna tu vile hiyo wimbo na feel inanibariki.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But very sorry. So inamaanisha kuwa kwenu it's all about Catholic. Eti kwao ni Catholic full dose. To an extent that odongo swagu ukienda kwa huyu hata tingegi malo itakuwa kwa Catholic. Tonyambita nyisaka kitingo gino nyisaka kitingo nyundo tang'eyo goyo tinyisaka kitingo. All right. But how do you transform from gospel to Ohangla? Like now you want to do Quiero waduti makelete mama. Right. Quiero waduti makelete mama. How do you transform from to quiero waduti makelete mama to rumba now? Rumba bakulutu. Bosusu enda usuzu. How do you transform?
I always believe in the saying that says give Caesar what belongs to Caesar and give God what belongs to God.
What is that?
Sawa.
What is that in simple term?
I'm trying to say kuna zile times zenye it is specifically for God, but I also have this other side
where you just have your fun.
Yes.
Okay.
Through the secular song.
But kwa wale ambao wanakuona awasemi labda you are hypocrite or something?
Not really a hypocrite because we are human beings, okay? And you cannot tell me mtu atakuwa 100%. Remember the first miracle Jesus did, alifanya akiwa Kana kwa harusi. Sawa, which that was a ceremony. Hakushinda kwa kanisa all the time.
Right,
because doing secular music doesn't mean I am not saved or sija believe. Unaona? Because spirituality is a matter of wewe na Mungu wako. Unaona?
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Now the person that we are talking about, the person that we are talking with, the person that is talking with me, the person that is also talking with you, because I know you people are watching from different parts of the country, from the different parts of the world, is called Omwamere. If you don't know this lady, run into your TikTok and atafute nani? Omwamere. Yes. This lady is doing a great job. And maybe if you are outside there and you have maybe an opportunity to give this lady, you can as well. Because I know and I want to believe that she can do a good job when it comes to promotion or something. Is it?
Yes.
Because the moment that you have numbers, it means that you can as well maybe sell one of my items.
Yes.
No, when you look here, I have a certain brand. The lady is called Brandy Totorambanya, Promoter 001. Popote alipo, we appreciate you so much. Now, Omwamere.
Yes.
Tell me the TikTok and your work now. In most cases unapata kuwa mwingine amechukuliwa na simu. Yani aezi toka kwa simu, ni simu 24. How do you manage to do your course or the chores na the TikTok thing? Because I know TikTok is demanding like the followers or fans or somebody, they don't know that you also have other things to do. They need to see the item day in day out.
Yes.
Labda hata siku moja wanataka uweke ka 3 hivi ndo wafurahie.
Yes.
And you also have some duties to perform.
Actually that is a very big challenge because unapata uko na kazi mingi and you also have a social life of which sana for me ni TikTok. So unapata it is hard juggling between these two things. Sasa at most of the time nafanyanga TikToks at lunch break. Ama tea break ndio nafanya napata hiyo, ama kama when sasa siko kazi ama during weekends ndio time sasa I do most of the TikToks.
Yeah. So when people are watching your items, you know, your clips, your videos, there are some people, especially me and others, that maybe are interested in you and they are more than 2, they are more than 10, they are more than 20. How do you manage? Kwa sababu ukiniongelesha vibaya I'll unfollow. I'll follow you immediately, and let us say that you are 100, you'll go down.
Yeah.
Is it? So how do you manage this? You want to maintain your fun, at the same time you don't want to enter into his box, or maybe kama akona jug ama kama akona ndoo, kwa sababu siku hizi si eti kila mtu akona box. Utaingia na ushtuke kumbe umeingia kwa jug, ni kidogo ama dustbin. So what do you do? How do you manage this?
Kama kuna watu wenye napenda sana na naheshimu ni fans wangu. So most of the time unapata if a fan requests nimfanyie wimbo ama if akirequest nimfanyie kitu, mi huwafanyia. Sawa sawa. But now utapata kuna wale wanataka kukuinbox privately and then you share your number. Unapata huyu mtu alikuwa na nia zingine kando, you know. But sasa mimi kama Mary, mimi kama Omwa, I have my nitaziitaje? How will I call
your own principles?
I have my, thank you. Niko na principles.
Utalipa sieti thank you na unaendelea. It's my fee, so you cannot misuse it in front of the camera. So,
unapata kuna hiyo challenge, you have shared your number.
Yeah.
Maybe unafikiria this mtu anataka kukuendeleza,
labda kuinua
kidogo ama kukupatia a gig or something. But then most of them wenye nimeshare nao wana deceive. Wanakuja wanakuambia no, I will not, I'm here purposefully for business, or nataka tu kuna I have a show, I want you to come and perform or something. But then when you share your contacts and then you start talking, wanaanza kugeuka sasa. Wanaanza kuongea, wanaingiza hizo mambo zingine. And then when you come straight unaanza kuambia no, I'm not interested into this. Wanaanza kukasirika or something.
Yeah.
So I'm like, as long as my principle and standards zangu na values zangu nime uphold, even if you unfollow, even if you continue following, I will be okay.
Sure.
Yes. Kuna wale wenye bado wako hapo na bado wanaendelea kufollow na wanafurahia na kazi yangu.
Okay. Now, being that you are a celeb, now how do you handle yourself in public? You know, celebrity also come with several limitations, like maybe uko kwa public vehicle, watu wanashangaa kai, si une yule msichana wa TikTok. Unaitwa hivyo, si ndio? Yule msichana wa TikTok. And then you find that labda kuna mwingine anaacha kazi yake, anakuja piga selfie, do one or two. How do you take this?
It is nice. It is nice. Sana unapatanga mtu anakurecognize, anakusimamisha. Hello, hi, my name is so and so. Actually nakufollow, I love your content. Una feel vizuri. Like at least pia wewe mtu anakuambia mimi nakwanga nimeboeka, but nikiona tu wimbo moja tu umefanya, I feel happy. So at least kwa mafans wenye tunakutananga now in public places, kuna wenye hata tumeenda, we've gone out, tumekula pamoja, we've shared meals together, and it is such a nice feeling. Kama kuna wenye tulienda nao Homa Bay during the children's home.
I remember.
I remember. It was such a nice feeling. Tuna link na watu because you never know. So kwa public ni mimi tu. Yes. Sina hizo atio sasa hi to
But how do your fans take you now when you do the same thing? Labda tuseme umeenda Gikomba, pale watu wanasema mbao and wewe pia uko hapa, hebu nione na wanakuona.
Actually I'm just a regular girl. I'm just a regular girl. Napenda vitu za mitumba. Napenda African. So ukinipata tu pale usi-mind, I'm just a regular
ukimpata girl. Kwa mitumba umnunulie hata ya mbao. You will appreciate.
Yes, I will appreciate. Yes.
All right. For those people who are watching, we are humbled, and we are very grateful. What you can do, share this video, give us a comment, give us a comment, anything that you want this lady to answer you. Kuna wengine ambao wameweka maswali hapo, or some of the comments we read. Are there some of the comments there? All right, I'm seeing my engineers, light engineers, they are telling me no. Those people who are in the camera, they are telling me no, we don't see any comment from TikTok section. Yeah, wale ambao wako kwa Telegram, is it? Wao wananiambia wako sawa. Instagram. Nakwambia hapa ni kunoma. Naona, do you see all these cameras?
Yes.
It is because of you. You are doing a great work. But acha nikuulize, is everybody positive about what you do?
No, actually kuna wale wanasema stick to gospel. Kuna wale wanasema stick to Ohangla, stop doing gospel. So hapo pia napata tatizo. Juu ikifika time yangu na Mungu, I want to show, nataka yani ni mimi na huyo Mungu. Hata unaona tu the way I sing that thing. It is me na
it is
wangu,
from
because najua mali Mungu wangu amenitoa, you know. And then there is also this other side of me yenye it is a secular person, it is a normal person, a regular person. Yes.
So wale ambao wanaku-criticize, how do you handle that? Like mtu atakwambia, kuna wengine watakuja tu kwa comment wakwambie where I don't like some people are coming to my video, they are telling me no wonder your jokes are dry. Not even funny. Like sometimes you see I sometimes make some jokes about the church or any other people, and they're like, wait, stop it, never touch SD again. Sijadona Mungu. Ni kama wao ndo wako na list ya wale ambao wanaenda mbinguni. Nonsense. So according to you, how do you manage that? Somebody yako kwa inbox ama kwa comment section.
I'm a very sensitive person. Vitu kama hizo ndogo ndogo, they do hurt me, but I don't take them to heart. I ignore, ama I delete the comment and then I move on. Yeah.
So kama ni mimi, you've known me for some time, then I'm coming to your video, then I comment that way. You know me in person. There are some people that you just know in person. Alafu anakuambia not funny at all or not interesting.
Yeah, kwa social media you must have a thick skin. Lazima ukuwe na thick skin, because you will get every form of nitasema aje, utatukanwa, utaongeleshwa vibaya, you will be criticized. They'll throw words at you, they'll mock you, but you have to have a thick skin. Wacha tu ingie lakini siingie ndani. Sawa. So the minute najua mimi whatever I'm doing kuna wale itafurahisha, because siwezi furahisha all of them. Okay, that is why unaona video imekuwa viewed na 20k but only 5,000 wame like. Okay, what does that mean? Sio wote walifurahia. So not all, but the few who will appreciate, I will go with them, because the minute I start concentrating on the negative side, I will never move on. The weaknesses zitakuwa mingi kushinda the strengths, na hapo itanirudisha chini.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. That is also a lesson to those people that are putting their things on social media. Ensure that you have a thick skin. Yo nimepata kwa Omwamere that you must have a thick skin, because expect everything. Expect good things, expect bad things, expect good words. Kuna wale ambao watakwambia congratulations, pongezi, heko bro, you are doing great, but there are some people who will tell you that you are childish, blah blah, several things. So the way she has told us, you just ensure that you have a thick skin to absorb.
Yes. Have a thick skin to absorb.
So let me ask you, have you started your own YouTube channel? Are you on Instagram?
Yes.
What about on Facebook? Or it's just TikTok and TikTok?
I've not started a YouTube channel yet. But kuna followers wamekuwa wakiniambia nianzishe. I don't know how to go about it, but nikawambia I will consider. I've not yet, so kwa sahi bado sina YouTube channel. IG niko, Instagram na Facebook. I'm not a fan of Facebook that much. Napenda sana. I just love TikTok. So IG niko na Facebook, but kwa YouTube not yet.
Okay. How do they call you in IG?
Omwameri. Mary Omwa. That is it.
Omwameri.
Mary Omwa.
Mary Omwa. That is IG.
Yes, that is IG.
Facebook.
For Facebook. Your Facebook account ni ya kitambo sana. Nikiwa sijui class 7. So it is Santa Cruz. So I'll change it to Mary Omwa.
No, class 7 you are on Facebook already.
Yeah.
Gaidi. Taliban.
Yeah, so
class 7.
I'll change my
ulifanya CBC.
No.
844.
Hey, I'm not that old people, so don't get watu wasianze ku get ideas.
Waanze kusema no.
Ficha miaka kwa magoti.
And by the way, when we talk about that one, you know, I must take you back to your relation. Do you have somebody? Because this is one of the factors that are affecting the TikTokers or those people that are doing several things on social media. Labda unapata kuwa unataka kufanya kitu na umari lakini boyfriend ama bwanako hataki.
Yeah. So I'm not married.
Oh.
I'm not in a relationship.
Kuwa tu pole pole. Thank God. You are single.
Yeah, so I'm single. I'm not married. I'm not in a relationship. Kwa sahi.
Are you searching? Tell her. Just
I'm not searching.
But are you ready to mingle?
Not really. I'm just neutral.
Unaweza choma, kuna wengine wako na pesa na wana watch. So calculator, eh?
No, for now I'm just focusing on myself and loving myself. Na kuji-empower. Yes.
I lie. Hauna wivu? Ukiona wengine wanatembea wawili.
No. Niko sawa.
What about nikiamua kuingia box and alafu unisaidie kuhost watu? So every Saturday tuko hapa na wewe, alafu wewe mgeni akae katikati.
No, I will. Ni sawa tu. I don't want to get attached or yeah, kwa sahi I'm just focusing on myself as I told you. Hapo nyuma things were not so well. Yeah.
Okay. Things were not so well. To me, just tell me a brief of things were not so well.
Yeah, so many things they may happen from 2020 to 2021. Actually 2020 it is my worst year. Hapo ndio nilisema my dad was battling cancer.
Yeah.
Na akafariki. So the same year, down the line 6 months, my eldest sister actually was my best friend sister. Unajua kwa familia kuna wale favorites. Okay, kama siblings wangu wanaona si ati siwapendi, but kwa familia kuna kwanga na wale your favorite sibling. Inyalo unaweza mwambia kitu na siambie mtu. Unaelewa?
Inyalo kone gimoro to kokon ngato.
Yeah. Ntemoro makinyise to dhinyi so mama, ntemoro makinyise to dhinyi so baba.
Yeah.
So huyu alikuwa wangu kabisa. So tumezika mzae. Hapo ikafika hapo October, she was pregnant. Then akaenda kudeliver, she overbled na yes, Mungu pia akampumzisha.
Pole.
So it was really a rough year for us. Hapo ndo nikajifundisha kukuwa mama. Hata kwa my TikTok, hapo kwa profile nimeandikanga I'm a mom. Yes. So vile she passed on and nilibaki na mtoto pale kwa ward na alikuwa kwa nursery for some 3 days. So you can imagine, I don't know, sijui hata kuvalisha mtoto pampers. Sijui, it has never ijaipitia kwa akili yangu ati I can be a mother anytime soon. Okay? So niko hapo nafundishwa na nurse vile pampers inavalishwa. I have to feed this child after every 3 hours unatembea. So ni usiku 9 natembea. Saa 6 nilikuwa ninatembea hivi kwa ward nikiwa nalala. Na kwa hospitali mzima wanaongea tu about the death of my sister. Huyo msichana nini. So it was really hard. Na hapo ndio nikasema TikTok ilinisaidia because nilikuwa naingia TikTok, I do whatever I do and then inanitoka kwa mind. So hapo ndio nasema nikaamua let me focus on myself kwanza. By that time I was in a relationship but it didn't go so well. So nikasema my heart has been broken. The worst heartbreak someone can ever have ni death.
Yeah,
sawa,
exactly. And then it's not just death, but death and maybe the person that has died is a person or the person that you are close to, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
so that is the worst heartbreak a person can ever have. So hapo nilikuwa pia kwa relationship, nilikuwa najaribu kidogo but it didn't go so well. So I decided to walk out and that is why nimekwambia I'm focusing on myself kwanza. Nijipende zaidi, nirudishe ile mapendo yenye ilitolewa na mzazi na my eldest sister. Nikaiweka kwa kijana wangu sasa, he's a boy. Ako na 1 year sasa, he's called Testimony.
Ako wapi by the way? Mnaishi naye huko Nairobi ama?
Tunaishi na yeye hapa. Yes.
So you are like a mother to that kid.
Yes.
Even as we talk, you have that boy.
Yes.
Wow. Congratulations. Actually, you are a mother to my thank you so much. You are so great, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. 1 year. Huh? Okay. Now, Oh, I'll still dwell about you and your growth to where you've reached now.
Yeah.
Right? Now, are there some of the celebrities that you've met because of the TikTok?
Yes.
That maybe you are yearning to meet and you've come across those people?
Yeah.
One of them?
When we were starting this TikTok, I told you, nilianzishwa na rafiki yangu. Amekuwa rafiki yangu sana.
Yeye pia ni
Tumesoma
celeb by the way.
pamoja. Tumesoma pamoja pale Moi. So yeye ndio wa kwanza nitamtaja. She's called Veronica Otieno.
Veron Salt, nilimuona kwa Ramogi.
Rumba kwa Ramogi.
Niliona kwa and by the way ako hapa. Veron Salt, kuja usalimie watu. Ako hapa. Veron Salt, kuja tu salamu by the way. Veron Salt, huyu ndo aliingiza umwameri.
Even niko default.
Ebu rumba. Unajua tunakuja.
Ngwele kinga o Angela. Eko sangana zuwa maladi. Nalinga mibalika sina soki. Nafuka mie paina e. Kate de visita pamo pesanga. Shongo langu
acha nikupe mic.
No, acha tuimbe na Omwa.
Omwa kuna yako.
Uko na gospel gani mzuri tuimbe?
Omwa
niko karibu kufukuzwa. Okay, hata rumba.
Eka
Na
vizuri.
yebaki.
Aha.
Tupe tune.
Aya. Taran.
Na yebaki suka seko tingamae yanga ina mobali nangai pantalo mokaba mama tobalana kosukisa bilo belango ya bato likwela yanga ina sheri suka lilitama onga inda ya
Oganda
na yebiko
Uganda na yo kibiko moe pulo cham Uganda na ye kibiko moe pulo cham Oh wow, these people are so that is the person that introduced you to TikTok. Oh right. That is that okay. Okay, so huyu ni wa kwanza celeb. Mwingine ama
wa pili ni MC Omari Nash. Mwenye tuko naye hapa sasa. Kwa sababu ukini celeb, pole basi.
Ya celeb bali yellow punk. Kama celeb mane. Uyecha alichokuma bembe. Okay. I'm honored, you know. I'm very humbled.
I've also met Addis Jojo.
Yeah.
Yes. I've also met Omedian Ombuti.
Yes. Na by the way Ombuti ako ndani ya nyumba. Ombuti karibu sana bwana. Kuja usalimie watu. Ombuti just come. Wapi Ombuti? Lakini unajua Ombuti akija lazima muwekee the background of chief, at least afanye moja. Kuja. Ombuti yako ndani ya nyumba. By the way, I just love these people. They love me so much. We love one another. We always give one another backup, and they are here backing me up. I'm just humbled. Wow. Chief
Omari. yo.
Hey.
That.
Chief, acha nikupe mic. But I just love you people. I just love you guys.
Hata kikiera nduwa dichwo wadu. Hata koriera wadhi kodikani.
Era manya sayo siapa. We neno gaera nengono. Don't misuse era gingono gik mopogo.
Iwinjo kikikona ni you love me nikech in wuoyi wadwa. Onge kama nyalo dhie kodi.
Ombuti, this girl has just appreciated ni Oromo kodi. Me clip my chief achiel. Kadani
Nipe yangu. There's a lot of videos in my phone. It can be better.
we mbutu timwe chela mbera I just live mani korania mwonyo kesongo I just live kwa Kijaluo tunasema eheri mang'ony Dolomite mani lungo no mbuti by the way tumekuwa na yeye kwa one ushapata
Alright.
Haya, anza tena ndo afanye.
DJ manyogo huko ginyingi nyaero nyako na mang'wen tamba ni ndotka. Ene modhi odak kodi.
Sa yo kachaka tima bag ni to kibikao.
Okabikao nade? Itama bag ni seche magole otin migole.
Bag ni okidhiga.
Iwinjo.
Yasa iwuon.
Ondik nyake muma ni dhako majaber mano satan. Nawe nangera.
Ora nyithindo dwa penja ni baba gi odhi kanye.
Ondike muma disom muma Abubakar 9:18. Dhako majaber satan nawe nangera ka muma no wuoye. Kare gina die.
Sakre next Sunday adhi e lemo.
Ine chich.
Ombuti. Ombuti chief, greet them tafadhali.
Yes, I'm very surprised that I am a celebrity. I thought she's a celebrity because I'm her fan. Yes, it's the first time we have met, and I'm very not the first time.
I'm very naughty.
Yes, I'm very happy. She can recognize me as one of the celebrities. Amor. Yes, Amor. And it's nice, and she's a very good lady.
Right.
Yes, she's my best friend.
Right.
And I think that maybe in some time maybe we usually talk, right? You get that?
Yeah, you are.
Yes, yeah, you understand that? Yeah, you get it?
Yeah, get it.
Yeah, so she's my
if you
friend.
don't get it, forget about it.
Yeah, forget about it. You understand?
All right.
Yes, so I just want to say hi, hello guys. Yes, even Veronica Salt is here.
Yeah.
Yes, Veronica Salt is here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, that one is taking us to break. Let us go. We are coming shortly after the break. Can you say that? Are you able to say that?
Yes.
Okay.
We will be
Tell
back
them.
shortly.
Alright, we are back. Can you say tumerudi?
Tumerudi.
Kwa na psych.
Tumerudi.
Yeah, I want you to be my co-host.
Yes.
Kwa one-on-one. So can you say one-on-one Super Sato every Saturday?
One-on-one Super Sato every Saturday.
Yeah, wow. Unajua na kufanyia audition. So we shall talk. I want to absorb you so that you help me hosting one-on-one Super Sato. Kwa wale ambao wako pale, we are back and here is Omua Mary. That smile. Woo! Hata kani hot smile. Woo! Na hizi light zote. So niko na pressure. Hey! Niko na Omua Mary hapa. Omua Mary is that are you called TikTok sensation? TikTok sensation. Hey, all right, the TikToker. We can as well say the TikToker. She's doing great work. So you've been doing several songs.
Yeah.
Which type? Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is Ohangla.
Ohangla.
And also on the gospel part, I also do a lot of gospel. Mostly Luo gospel songs.
Luo gospel songs.
Yes.
What about rumba? Like Omua.
My dad babangu ndo alikuwa anapenda rumba na mama yangu. But for me I don't love rumba so much. Sasa kuna huyo rafiki yangu wa rumba, baba yangu na mama yangu. Hao ndio sana wanafanya nipende rumba. Babangu alikuwa anapenda hii karubandika sana.
Karubandika.
Yes.
So who is your favorite artist? Your favorite artist, because you know you've been doing this one for different artists. Like maybe let me just be specific to Luo artist. Who is your favorite Luo artist?
Now there hapo sasa kuna kizungumkuti.
Kuna kizungumkuti
Because inalingana kuna wale wenye nilikuwa from tukiwa watoto. Musa Juma. Kuna hizo wimbo zenye tulikuwa tunasikia kutoka kitambo. Kuna akina Dola Kabari. Dola Kabari was my favorite nikiwa mdogo.
Dola Kabari, Woda Dhiambo.
I
love Dola Kabari too.
Dola was my all time favorite.
Yeah.
Alafu kuna huyu jamaa aliimba hii Rapara Angelina. Ositokale.
Ni nyakadenge ginyaro chuonyo to kute kayo male tendendendenge dong dong tenderende dong don 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 ding ding don do tongo don do toledo
togina gueyo malich.
I also love the song. Yes. Oh, so you can have you done one for the
Yes, I have done that one. Rapper Angelina. I did it. Yes.
They all nyanza konwe Ninyi irithos Tonge nyako maneja kinda Machunye chalo ganjela. Why? Kumbe ni magaidi. Tumekutana wale ambao walienda kwa Elisha Toto.
Inalingana tu. Kuna tu ile tu vile
the message.
Yes.
Na those touchy parts.
Yes.
Paro ganya suba Paro ganya suba Ni mama paro ganya suba mam Paro ganya suba O mama temo gona simu. Temo gona simu. To bendi winjo gi ma winjo. Mami winjo gi ma winjo. Tuo moro ronjo ni corona. Apinjo lando kosomaki.
So inalingananga pia na song yenyewe.
But you've not done the one for Amiso Thwango? You've not done one for Amiso Thwango?
Amiso Thwango.
Nitiere nyako makabiro lini.
I've done. Kato siepe. Nitiere nyako makiwoto godo. To kato siepe nyaka chai.
I've
done that one. Nimefanya za Abdeleta Benija Chiga. May his soul continue resting in peace.
Mano Kazinde.
I have done Kasinde. Kuna diumnya alisema Magobe love.
Fredija Kadongo.
There is Tony Ndiema.
Jadundo ngona.
Toto ngona mam. Sawa.
Tiru. Nyadundo ngona.
Kuna huyu mwenye sasa pia amekuja koro. Ni moli wana romne ko akodongo. But my favorite anaitwa Odongo Swag.
You are doing a great job. I love the guy. The guy is going at a higher pace. He's doing a great job,
Nyasembo.
Right. Ya Nyazembo, ujumeliere Nyazembo, poko yanyo jadume Nyazembo. Ya Udongo ya
Sawa. So, but ukiangalia most of my TikTok videos, nyimbo mingi za Kijaluo ni za Prince Indah.
So that one is your favorite?
Currently, Prince Indah is my favorite.
Prince Indah Wenyandare.
Yes.
Aha. So Prince Indah Wenyandare is your favorite. But you've also done the one for Koth. You know Koth Jarapogi.
Yes, I've done several.
There is this song of Koth.
Song Osiepe bedo pinya thini rwako na pete mam. Okono elo jangoma. I have done that one. Yes.
You're Oangla artist. We just love you.
Thank you.
We love you so much. So when we talk of Luo artists, you love Prince Indah.
I love Prince Indah, but all the Luo artists.
Oh, you love them?
I love them all.
But Prince Indah is...
But Prince Indah, Donjo Nagama.
Would you like me to meet Prince Indah one day?
Yes.
Tuseme tu umekutana na Prince Indah, what can you say? Like, pap, uko na Indah. Uko na Prince Indah mwenyewe. Wenyandare.
I just love that guy. The voice, the songs, it's the message, like, anajua kusifu.
Tell me one of his songs that is really touchy on your side. You know it's opinion, so the one that is touching you.
Nishika kabisa ni Wechehera.
Wechehera.
Ni mamanya Salome, mama miyaga puonj matin. Nyathina kidwaro kendo to ye iduogi e dala. Ninyiri miyude pango gi nyal dake dala. So nilikuwa nasikia hiyo wimbo step by step. Because kwa society yetu inyalo yudo ni wewe unachaguliwa, unaletewa mume ama unaletewa mke. Unaona? But according to Prince Indah, Wechehera tek. Ilu Wechehera kosilu weche wazazi.
Iya walu Wechehera kosalu weche wazazi.
Akoso winjo minwani e kariti e singo.
Akoso winjo minwani e kariti e singo.
Kiri kwa dui anya bera kwa igi muolo.
We, lines vibes ziko sawa.
Yes. So wimbo zake zote ziko sawa. Kuna ile ngato mweda loda taonge. Kuna yani hata teamu makorogolo sanini.
Teamo. Inaanzaje by the way?
Kuongo kapoka ne waromo na paro ni nyiri mabero. Konyuolore piny ka.
Mokuongo kane poka tedo na paro ni chiemo mamit. Poko tende piny ka. Then I love ile ame dance kwa ni. Arwana tedo kono welo bede piny omena ema dwana tednu.
Omena tiero.
Alright, that is my favorite dish.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll make for you one.
Nikikutembelea ni kitu.
Sawa, noted.
Oh, thank you very much kwa wale ambao wako pale. You can give us a comment. We have a lady here, an African queen, smile, the smile. Then mavazi ameweza, lady ameweza. Ako pale TikTok, unaweza enda pale, you support this lady. This lady is doing a great job. And when you are there, maybe you are an artist and you want to do you a cover or something, is here. It's only that I don't know where nowadays our Luo artists are heading to, because you are making a cover of someone, then you only realize after some few weeks or few days that amekuwekea strike na unampromote. So sometimes we as an artist, or we as those people that love the other artist and we want to promote them, sometimes it's very difficult, because sometimes you are doing it just in good heart, but somebody anakuwekea strike sana kwa wale ambao wako YouTube. So it's very difficult. On my side, I tell those promoters that don't do before consultation, because nowadays Luo artists have become evil. Ni wivu tupu. So sometimes you make us we be afraid of using your songs, and I don't know how you people want to be promoted. But when you're there, maybe you want a promotion. Omomeri is here. You can as well contact her through the social media handles. Ako TikTok, ako IG, ako Facebook, ako wapi tena?
Hizo tatu.
Ako kwa nyumba yao. So you can as well contact this lady. So what is your vision now with the TikTok, or maybe with the art thing? Do you think of maybe making it better, doing bigger things, going far, or what is your mission or maybe vision now? Ama unataka tu ku dance hivyo TikTok hadi
at first nilikuwa naifanya for entertainment and as a mechanism of vile nilisema ya kunisaidia nisikuwe depressed.
Yeah.
But kwa sahi naifanya zaidi in that maybe vile umesema, if someone wants anataka kupromote advertise wimbo or something, hiyo itanisaidia sana. So I'm also doing it nikijua maybe one day ama kuna siku mtu ataona whatever I'm doing na niite mahali.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But as we talk, you've not gotten any contract through that? Or maybe there are some people that have contacted you? It's good to ask. Have you gotten maybe a contract through the TikTok thing?
Not really, but the lady I told you who usually gifts me, ndio alikuwa amesema there is something she's planning, she will reach out, but bado hatujaongea. So siwezi sema kuna mtu ameni contact tena apart from that.
All right. Now the one that is talking to you, always MC Marinash. I have a celebrity in the house. Hawa ni wale ambao si wale tu, not just a mere person, my friend. I'm telling you, to reach this lady took me over years, but today she's here. I'm so grateful. Getting you was so difficult, and I know you are so committed, but at least you managed to reach here. I have to thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And before we conclude this, I have just to give you this opportunity to at least you have some few minutes to talk to these people, those people that have been supporting you, those people that maybe it is your first time to see you, and any other person. Camera is yours.
Sawa sawa. To all my fans, kwa fans wangu wote, nawapenda sana. I love you so much. And at this particular juncture, nataka kusema I'm happy. Na we continue with the support. Ukiona maybe kwa wale wenye wananiona, wenye wananisikia, wenye wananifollow, wenye hawajaanza kunifollow pia, you follow me. So naweza sema if there is an opportunity out there, if you see whatever I'm doing here it is inakufurahisha, I'm here. Unaweza ni reach kwa hizo social media accounts and we can talk and do more vile Omari Nash amesema. So kwa sahi nasema nawapenda sana, continue with the love, na mimi I will continue entertaining you and we'll reach to higher heights. Yes.
Okay. Huyo ni Omwa Mary. Mary, have you tried any audition for this television these TV shows?
I've never tried. I actually don't know which panel to go through, ama the procedure, ama vile nitafikia. I've never tried.
But I saw you one day in Ramogi TV with
it was my best friend's audition, Veron Salt, so we went with her.
All right.
Ilikuwa interview yake.
Also you accompanied her?
Yeah, I accompanied her.
All right. Yes. Thank you so much. For those people that were watching, we love you so much. And I want now to release my guest to at least go and continue with her program. You know, the program of this lady is very tight. But she said, Omari, you are doing a great work, and if you contact me, due to her humility, she managed to reach here. And for you people, we would have not been here if you people are not there. So ni vile mko hapo ndo maana tuko hapa. We have to appreciate so much. Omari, kabla tuachane, chenye utasema pale ni kuwa every Saturday tuko live na MC Omari Nash kuanzia saa 3 usiku.
Every Saturday tuko live na MC Omari Nash from 9 p.m.
Oh, so ni kama okay. I'm very sorry. Let me not say anything. Thank you so much. Let us meet next week, same place, same time, with the same monkey, MC Omari Nash. They call me Omari Nash. Do you know that my name? It is called Omari Nash?
Omari Nash. Yes.
No, the full one.
Omari Nash. Dako maja ugoro. Chwako strungi. Totingo ni
I come up again. MC Omari Nash.
It has refused to come.
Naitwa Omari Nash dako ngode negi chake kore kubnya rio to podi chwako strong tea. Or Omari chieno je mone mbele wan chiene moneno mbele mweyoko. Ama you can as well say Omari dako yerudo sofria gi kuoyo to bede still wire. Omari dako chwako manya to bede oganda. Thank you so much, my people. I love you all. Let's meet next time. Super Sato. Every
Saturday.